Well, if it's not here, we can't find it. We think it would be both coasts. If at the end of October we're at Disneyland and I see it, okay. When we're on the West Coast, we use our DVC discount because we're not in El Paso over there. So at least we still get a. Yesterday we were at Coral Reef restaurant with Nikki and her son, and it was 40% off for members fee. So we kids restaurant. We were hoping for party here, but it was Coral Reef. It was like, sure, why not?
So where do we want to eat? Welcome home, everybody. Magical Vacation Memories. We are going to take you on a tour of Ratatouille. We're going to shrink you down to the size of a rat and run around the kitchen.
Chef Remy is waiting for you this way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but here. Pour le repas idéal. En commun? Non. Simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it.
That's cute.
What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
I'm glad I could put his glasses right there.
Dépêchez-vous!
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed being a rat for a
Your teeth are
while.
glowing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. And as always, welcome home.
Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but here. Hein? Pour le repas idéal. En commun? Non. Simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it. Poussez-vous de là. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Hey, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
I want to get your glasses for Daddy.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! Just around the corner! Oui, oui, on est presque arrivé à la cuisine de Rémy! Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la table. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous êtes toujours les bienvenus chez Remmy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et oui, non?
And for you, right this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy. Au revoir.
such a cute ride. It is. But 25-minute wait, that's good enough. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed being a rat for a
Your teeth are
while.
glowing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. And as always, welcome home.